finally found some dumplings! We're gonna open them together. I found 3. These are the purple ones. I really like purple. Purple's my favorite color, so I'm really excited. Okay. Oh. Blue. On to the second one. It's really hard with long nails. Purple! I like purple. I like purple so much. Okay, perfect. Alright. Now we're hoping for, I'm hoping for black or obviously the galaxy. Oh my god, another duo. No! Okay, last we have this little one, and I only got one. Okay, I finally got the little one open. It's blue! It's so little. Oh, I love the feeling of this one. Is this the mystery? I have no idea. Oh well. I like this one. Bye!